What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to do niche research for your low content books. I usually do low content book niche research on Etsy.com and Pinterest.com. So in this video I will show you my exact method. Go to Etsy.com and in the search bar type cats mugs. You can type your keyword followed by mugs. So I would like to search for cat mugs for the demonstration purpose to look at the some cute designs related to cat niche. So type cat mugs, hit enter, and then see what comes up. Just ignore these ads and scroll down and see the designs or mug designs with more number of reviews. So it has 2792 reviews, but it don't have any sort of quote on it. So I would like to check out some other designs. See, stop stressing me out. This is a cool looking design and cool looking quote, and it also has over 6,000 reviews. It means it's really popular. Just save it as, I would like to save it as my ideas for low content books. So save on my hard drive. Just scroll down. Another design is cat mom. This is cute as well, but it don't have much reviews. That means it doesn't selling as much. So scroll down, keep scrolling the page. We can't see here top selling or trending. There is no feature like that on Etsy, but you can check out some cute design by looking at the number of reviews. It also is a good design, so save it as well. Scroll a bit down. Cat mug, funny, cute. My cat is much cuter than your children. Not convinced. Scroll down, keep scrolling, and let's see some other cute design or some top design. It is good as well, so save it. Cat against cat calls, and let's see some other one. World's best cat grandma. So save it. It also has good reviews. We have already 4 ideas saved in a matter of minutes. So you can also check out the second page if you don't see much design on the first page, or you can also check out this third or fourth page as well. And just the number one criteria is to see the number of reviews. If it has more than 500 or 600 reviews, you can save it. Show me your kitties is good design. World's best cat dad is also a good design for Father's Day or gift for fathers. That is kind of cool looking design for your notebook cover as well. So save it. Yes. So we have already saved 4 to 5 designs in 3 to 4 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. This is how I do my niche research for my low content books publishing. You can also check out the course I am currently following. The link would be there will be the first link in the description. That is a very good course from Paddy. Next, you can go to Pinterest.com and search for top quotes. Go to Pinterest.com, in the search bar type cat quotes and hit enter. And I have a little Chrome extension to arrange the top quote or top pins in terms of most pins. I have a separate video on that, you can check it out. So I would like to search for 4 pages, first 4 pages, and see what top pins are there. Click type 4, and you can also check out 4, 5 and any other pages you would like to check. I am checking the first 4 pages for top pins on Pinterest in terms of cat codes. Okay, it is checking and scrolling and checking the top codes regarding cat codes on the first 4 pages of Pinterest.com, and it had showed us the top pins. Time spent with cats is never wasted there, because really good looking, and it also has a shape of cat. That is very cool design. You can remake it, recreate it with your own spin, and sell a few copies on Amazon or what do you say, Kindle.com. You can also scroll down and check out pins. It is also, it's feed me o'clock. That is kind of cool. Let's see by opening it in the new tab. My cat makes me happy, human make my head hurt. I don't like this because I love human. What greater gift than the love of a cat? That is quote, and this is cuter one. Just save it. Okay. Or you can also try to find by typing some different keyword or phrase, just like funny cat quotes or something else. I'm typing funny cat quotes and hit enter, and just see what comes up. If the earth was flat, cats would have pushed over everything. That is kind of funny one, and you can save it, or you can sort. I wanna sort these pins regarding to funny cat quotes, so that sometimes I wish I was an octopus so I could stab 8 people at once. That's a funny one. You can try it on your notebook, and just like that you can find some very good quotes on Pinterest.com and very good design on Etsy.com. This is how I am doing my niche research for low content book publishing. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like button below this video. Thanks for watching.